Hello, everybody. I seem to be speaking a little bit slow today. Anyways, no matter what, bad news, I can't use Minecraft Education anymore. And why is that? I only have one more free trial, and if I just open the app one more time, it's gonna tell me to not use it. Okay, but so I think it would be a good idea to introduce you to our new 3D printing and coding guide called tinkercad. You just do quick design, new design, and then you just delete it. Wait. Alright, I'll just delete tinkercad and head back into tinkercad. Okay, so what you have now is alright, it's here. Tinker this. Let's tinker this. Alright, so I'll tell you how I made this. So I didn't actually make this whole thing, but there's one thing I really want to delete. I do not know the point of this, okay? I don't know the point of having this. If I just delete this guy and then I start, it's too slow. Fast mode. I need to use fast mode. Let me adjust it. There we go. I just don't understand the difference. Now, this is really boring. This is the original design, though I just took off the comment. And then to make the original design, you have to click the starter designs and you click the set color. And then it kind of looks pretty satisfying. I mean, yeah, why wouldn't it look satisfying, I'll ask you. Anyways, so how I edited this is I rotated this around the axis X, not like the Minecraft axis X, because the tinkercad axis X is, if you're correct, so the tinkercad axis X is different, because if you're talking about the tinkercad axis X, it's top to down, which is equal to the Minecraft axis Y. Okay, so yeah, it's really confusing. I was confused with this too. So, and then when you do this, watch this. Okay, it's way different. It's really different. I know if you just look from, so why it's good is because it creates this awesome ring like this, but I think it's still a little bit boring because it only rotates in two directions. So we can do this. Wait. Just wait. Rotate around axis X, axis Z. I try this. Hopefully this is not gonna be that boring. Okay, that's way better. Actually, I just saw a hole. Oh, looks like this. Oh. And then now, what is this? What is this? What have I just created? Everybody, look at this design and ask yourself, what does this wolf just create, okay? Because I don't even know what I just created. Now, first, then I'll just adjust this to axis Y. Bam, let's go. Alright, this is not gonna be so boring. Alright, look at what this is creating for me. It's flat, but yeah, I kind of like it. But I don't know how this shape came to be. I mean, I could say it's a mix between so what I'll say is this. It looks crazy, and if you just turn this to 180, this goes crazy. Alright, so I'm actually just tinkering the original, so I'm basically just editing the original design, okay? And now what does it look like? Because it does nothing. It just makes it, so this does nothing. Alright, let's do this. It says it's minus 90 degrees, but I don't think but you could just say 270 degrees if you don't say minus 90 degrees. I mean, if you just don't want to do math, just say minus 90 degrees. Now, how did this just come here? How does this work? How does this work? Alright, now this is really boring. This is honestly one of the most boring things I've seen in my life. Alright, this is gonna be more crazy. Alright, look at this, everybody. And then look high in the sky. It's basically forming the machines, and then it's moving into the sky like it's basically getting teleported in Minecraft. I mean, just look at that. It just looks so crazy. Now look at that. Now look at it from the top. And now look at it from the bottom. It just looks crazy. And now one of the ways you can get a better view is using this. Oh. Yeah, I just zoomed in, honestly. Alright, let's use this mode. Now where's our tinkercad? No. Oh, it didn't generate yet. Alright. Alright, look at this. This is a close-up view of the sky. It's a close-up view. Alright, this is gonna look better. Alright, let's try this. Okay, look at this, everybody. Okay, you made this, and then now I can see where I'm looking at from. Looking at it from the bottom, I kind of don't understand. Oh, I understand the direction I'm rotating it. Okay, so basically, where's that thing? You do this again, and then this whole thing just starts dancing, and then you look in the sky, it just moves into the sky. Now I'll just drag this out. Honestly, I'll have to drag this out. It's really hard. But once you're finished dragging it out, you'll be really relieved. Anyways, let's try something. Alright. I want to see what it's like as I code. So I want to leave it like this. I don't want to adjust the colors though. Wait, I'll just delete this. I'm looking at it from the bottom. What's this? Change hue by what? I don't know. Okay, it's a good thing I have a copy of set color. Let's go here. Let's start tinkering this. And it's this really boring thing. I guess there's one thing I want to do. Wind blade and then set color. I just don't know why I like the set color. Alright, it's working. And then this is a close-up view of it making itself, okay? First I need to zoom out. And then let's delete all this. We're looking from front. And it's basically, you see it placing it. It's basically placing it and changing all the things. And at the same time, it's also moving it there. Okay, everybody get it? No, it kind of looks weird like this. Don't try and do something. Don't try and do this, okay? It makes me dizzy, and hopefully it doesn't. I mean, it really. And then you'll not be able to tell which direction is which. So let's check out our time first of all. Well, 3 minutes. I want to get this done, okay? So my main goal is to make this not so boring, because I think this is really boring. At first I think it's fun, but now I think it's too boring. Okay, it looks really weird, and now I need it. Alright, let's try this. Alright, this changes this whole thing because it adds a new step to do. Alright, but this is kind of still boring because, well, look at this. It's too boring. So instead, I'll do this. Move axis X, Y, 36. Actually, I'll just do 30. I'll try this. Alright, this looks more crazy. It's building it in a different place. Now, before I do anything, I'll need to just rotate around. Alright, just this is never gonna work. Axis Z. I need to make it go X, Y, Z before rotating around. I mean, moving. Alright, let's try this XYZ machine. Alright, it moves it there. And now it's crazy. Watch this, everybody. It kind of looks good. That's not exactly what I wanted, though. So instead of 90, I'll just 15. Alright, if I just delete this is gonna look better, I think. Alright, this is gonna be it's not rotating. Actually, that's not what I want. I want way more than that. I expect this to be way better. Alright, 15 doesn't really do anything. Move it back to axis X. Instead of 90, I'll do 45 degrees. Okay, it's work. That's not exactly what I really wanted, but I want one to be on top of the other. So you can't have a rotate. I'll have a rotate around axis Y. Let's try this. And it's a good thing this is really fast. Now builds it. It's still boring. It's still the boring type. And if I just have it rotate it around axis Z, it looks like this. It doesn't do anything. Oh, I get it. Let's try this. Okay, so not 45, 75. Our 75 is gonna do a decent job. Okay, everybody, look at this. It's spinning. Now we just spun around like this. So basically I wanted to, if I do axis Y, it's gonna be good. Oh, that's exactly what I wanted. Actually, seriously, that's still the same thing I didn't want. So maybe I can make it more fun by using this. I can rotate YX. Oh, wow. Interesting. That's, I think, what I wanted. I mean, how did this not change at all? Oh, it changed. All right, let's have it rotate around like this. Oh, I think that's kind of what I wanted. Yeah, that's what I wanted. But I want it fancier. Rotate. So what's, first of all, you gotta ask yourself, what's axis X? Okay, now just build this for me. Okay, everybody look at this. I mean, it kind of looks good, but I'll need some more crazy stuff. Let's try it. Move, rotate around, axis. I'm just trying to have it rotate around and make the right thing I want. Okay, it's making this guy again. And then when you look around the sides, it's flat. It's really flat. It's really flat. Basically flat. It's basically a flat there. No, I'll have this thing rotate like this. 90 degrees, yeah. 180 degrees. All right, try this. 180 doesn't work at all, just so you know. So I'll have a, instead of dragging another one of axis X. Exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted. All right, I like this variant. I don't want to be too greedy, but I like this variant. Rotate. Now let's try something like this. Axis Y and then axis Z. I'm just having it rotate. Actually, I like this too. Okay, so these are some variants you can copy. You can't just stop this, but there's one thing you don't need to do. You don't need this. You don't need this comment. I don't know what that's for, but I like it. Yeah, we have solved this whole thing, and I've done everything I needed, and I made it look cool. So comment in the section below what crazy things can I make for Tinkercad, and how can I make this variant better. Yeah, it's like that. It's basically really simple. I just want to. Basically, what I'm talking about is feedback. And next time, actually, you can also comment in the section below. What are some really dumb ideas I can use for Tinkercad? Maybe lagging the server or something. I mean, I would recommend lagging the server, so I won't try that either. Don't tell me to lag the server. Bye.